This is my second half of the Google Keep video. And on this one, I'm going to show you how to take your Google Keep notes and put them into a Google Doc. So if I'm on a Chromebook, down at the bottom here, this blue page is your Google Docs. Or if you're on the Google website, you can click on the Google Apps and you can get to Google Docs that way too. So if I go to Google Docs, and I just click on create a new Google Doc up in the top left. Just want this blank one here. And now I'm going to put on here, so since I had done my research for Nigeria, I'm just going to give it a name right here. It's called Nigeria Report. Obviously, I would come up with a more creative title if this was what I was doing for real. And now what you can do to title the document in both places, to have your title on the document and to also title it in your Google Docs, you just click on where it says untitled document and it will take this information here. Now, if I go into my tools and I go to Keep Notepad, what I can do is I can search my Keep Notepad. So if I search Nigeria, and they all have the Nigeria label on it, then I can look through and see what notes I have. But what's sweet is that I can drag this and drop it right into my Google Doc. So now I can copy this, put it onto my bibliography page, or however I'm doing that, and then I can put this into my own words. So yeah, it's as simple as dragging and dropping. Now to get out of your search, you just click on this X, and again, you can take a note right in here. You can also make a new list right in here, and you can get it that way too. You can open up Google Keep from here, or when you're done with your Google Keep notepad, you can close it. Another thing, so this messy tree is nothing to do with my Nigeria report, but you can drag your sketches or your drawings right into your Google document. Because if you're wondering, why would my students draw a picture on the computer rather than drawing a picture on a piece of paper? Well, here, now you're taking it one step further. You now can take that picture and put it into a Google Doc, and now they can write a paragraph about it or an essay about it, or it can just be part of the project. As well, then you can take it another step further and you can share this document. The student can share it with the teacher can give feedback as the student's working on it. Students can collaborate on their documents together, and it just takes it that one step further. And if you've heard of the SAMR model, that is getting higher up into the SAMR model rather than just using the Google Keep drawing as a complete substitution. You're taking it further up. And that's all I have to show you on how your Google Keep incorporates with your Google Docs.